Affordable hotel sa Singapore, nakatabi lang ng MRT station at ang dami pang katabing restaurants. And welcome to V Hotel Lavender. Very accessible at convenient ang location ng hotel na to, kaya napakadaling maglibot at puntahan ng mga tourist spots. Ayan yung V Hotel Lavender, dyan tayo nag-stay. So ito yung MRT station, Lavender Station yan, nakatabi lang mismo ng hotel. Tingnan natin kung gano'n. Tapos, ito, may convenience store na katabi. Let's go. Merong fitness center and swimming pool if bet mo mag-deep after ng buong araw na tour sa SG. Nag-o-offer din sila ng buffet breakfast. So yun guys, room tour ko muna kayo. Sakto lang yung laki ng room. Meron siyang one double bed. Malambot yan. Kaldag proof. Dito naman sa side, merong TV. And then may work desk area. Hindi na sila nagbibigay na bottled water. So ito, pang filter na. May coffee and tea making facility. May phone, hair dryer. Dito naman, meron tayong cabinet. Nandyan yung mini fridge and safety deposit box. Ito yung view natin. Excited na ba kayo sa view? Tada! Ganda, no? Ayan yung view. Ito naman guys, yung bathroom. May sink, may toilet. Of course, may bidet. May hot and cold shower. May mga toiletries na rin na provided and towels. So, if bet nyo dito, mag-book na kayo sa V Lavender Hotel sa Klook. Bali, itong room is Superior Queen Room. Nasa around 6,000 plus yon sa Klook. Don't forget to use this code para may less pa yon. So, kung wala pa kayong hotel dito sa Singapore at naghahanap kayo ng good location, decent na room, try nyo dito sa V Lavender Hotel. And see you sa next gala. This is Shanice, your runaway girl. Bye!